Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best electric lawn mowers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many electric lawn mowers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each electric lawn mowers, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an electric lawn mower. First, think about your lawn size because smaller lawns work well with corded models, while larger areas may need cordless ones with longer battery life. Next, check the power rating and battery capacity to ensure consistent cutting performance. Pay attention to cutting width and height adjustment options, as these affect how quickly and neatly you can mow. Also, consider the mower's weight and maneuverability for easy use and storage. Noise level and maintenance requirements are important too, especially if you prefer quiet operation and low upkeep. Finally, look at safety features like blade brakes and handles with firm grips. These small details make mowing safer and more comfortable. Choosing the right mower means balancing performance, convenience, and cost. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.